Hey fitness and well-being enthusiasts, this is Amit Bhutani, transformation coach and author of a recently published book called Back to Basics Simplify Living, which is available on all leading platforms and garnering rave reviews worldwide. Thank you for that. Now the reason that I'm sharing this video with you is because when I was doing my 6-step transformation blueprint coaching program, one of my students asked me, we know our fitness and well-being goals, but why is it so difficult to stay focused? Focus is very important in our life as it's the gateway to all our thinking, which includes memory, learning, reasoning, problem solving and decision making. If you cannot focus in all aspects, your ability to think is definitely going to suffer drastically. Now, focus is a mental discipline to focus on your task at hand with undivided attention. If focus on tasks without distractions, you can complete your task with great effectiveness and efficiency. Now in today's world, we are overwhelmed and with so many stimulations and so much of content to consume that we feel overwhelmed and anxious. So and we lose our ability to focus. Now I want to tell you a great story from our very own Mahabharata. Dronacharya, Arjuna's mentor, was criticized for favoritism towards Arjuna. So Dronacharya said, okay, for all the students I'm going to have a contest. You're going to try and hit the eye of a wooden bird sitting on top of a tree where it will be placed. And the winner gets a amazing and beautiful prize. So first contestant is Yudhishthir. He comes, he can see the mountain, the sky, the tree, but he's unable to focus onto the bird and he misses the shot. Then comes Ashwathama and he can see the tree, the leaves, the fruit, the mango fruit and the bird, but still he can't focus on the eye and he misses the shot. Then comes Arjuna and he can only see the eye of the bird and he wins the contest because of his ability to focus and shoot. Mind you, this was an archery contest and Arjuna is known as a great archer. And his ability to win these contests was his extreme competency to focus. Okay, some statistics here. According to SereneApp.com, the average office worker is productive for only 3 hours a day. 36% of millennials and Gen Z spend 2 hours or more checking the smartphone at work. It takes people approximately 23 minutes to refocus after they have been distracted. Okay, now I want to tell you how to be focused. First, have the goal or outcome that you want to attain. Second step, visualize it closely for it to manifest. Visualize with all the sound, the smell, the taste, how you're going to feel, the emotions, everything. Third, make small task lists every day to achieve a goal. Fourth, practice this technique which is called Pomodoro. In this, you have 20 minutes of attention and 5 minutes off attention. You can start at 15 minutes on, 5 minutes off, 10 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Slowly build it up to 20 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Then, once you've done the Pomodoro, ignore all the noise which is diverting you from achieving your goal. What I mean by noise are people, activities or distractions. I call them the noise. So keep away, ignore the noise. And the last but not the least is be mindful. So practice meditation so that you are more in the present. So what's stopping you from achieving your optimal fitness, wellness and well-being goal? If you want, let's have a strategy session call where we can deep dive into the areas of your life and understand where you are at and where you want to be and how we can work towards it. To schedule a call, you can go to my bio if you're watching this video on Instagram and click on the link, or the link to schedule a call will be in the description below if you're watching on any of my other social media platforms. Please do like, share this video with your loved one. This is Amit Bhutani, transformation coach, taking small steps towards big transformation.